guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some cheap and easy DIY Halloween room decor. Let's get started with today's video. So the first DIY is a Halloween candy jar. So all I'm doing is painting a terracotta clay pot using purple paint. And you can use whatever color of paint you would like. I just decided to use purple because there's already orange in the candy corn. So I just wanted it to stand out. And then using the same purple color, I painted this terracotta pot drip lid. I think that's what it's called, or it's called like a tray. I don't know. I bought it from Michael's. I also painted this wooden ball purple as well that I got from Michael's. Once the paint dried, I just applied a generous amount of hot glue onto the bottom of the terracotta clay pot, and I've actually made this DIY before in like a Valentine's Day gifts video. So then I just placed this glass bowl on top of the hot glue, and then I hot glued the wooden ball onto the terracotta drip lid. I don't really know what it's called. And then I poured some candy corn, just using the regular candy corns and the pumpkin candy corn, into the glass bowl. And let me know in the comments below if you guys like candy corn. I really like candy corn, but I know a lot of people who don't. So just comment below and let me know. Then I just placed the lid on top of the glass bowl. You don't want to secure it with hot glue or anything, because then you wouldn't be able to get any candy corn, obviously. And be sure to wash the inside of the glass bowl if you do put unwrapped candy in here. I absolutely love this DIY, and by the way, the pumpkin succulent is from Target. So the next DIY is a glitter pumpkin. So all I'm doing is placing some Mod Podge using a foam brush onto a fake pumpkin. You could do this on a real pumpkin, but personally I wanted to use this fake pumpkin that I already had just to spice it up and add some glitter. So I'm just adding some glitter once I added the Mod Podge. And a lot of excess glitter does come off of the pumpkin, as you can tell, because it's not a flat surface, obviously. So when I was done with this DIY, I made sure to put the excess glitter back into the container. And that's why I was doing this DIY on a paper plate, just to make sure glitter didn't go everywhere. So then I just repeated this process, and I just made sure to not cover the entire pumpkin at first with Mod Podge, just because it would dry, but I just did a little section at a time and then added the glitter. And I just think this is so pretty. You could add orange glitter if you wanted to. I couldn't find orange glitter, but I would definitely do that if I could find some. I think gold glitter is really pretty. And if you guys recreate any of these DIYs in this video, be sure to send me pictures on Instagram or Twitter, because I would love to see. So this is what the glitter pumpkin turned out to look like. I think it is so cute, and be sure to add a layer of Mod Podge once this dries, just to make sure the glitter stays in place. And I definitely missed a spot at the bottom. You can see the orange pumpkin through the glitter. Sorry about that. But the last DIY is a candy corn banner. So all I'm doing is using white paint to paint a circle in the middle of a paper plate. And then I'm just adding some orange paint. So I just added this around the other circle. And then I covered the rest of the paper plate with yellow acrylic paint. Once the paint dried, I cut pieces that reminded me of a pie, like when you cut a pie. Yeah, anyway, so I just cut pieces from the paper plate, and then once you cut them out, it looks like pieces of candy corn. And I think this is such a cute and simple DIY. I saw this on Pinterest, and it's just so easy and really cool. I really like it a lot. And then I just taped the pieces of candy corn onto a piece of yarn. And I got this string from Dollar Tree. I also got the paper plates from Dollar Tree. So if you already have the paint, this DIY is literally $2, which is amazing. I think this is a perfect DIY for younger kids and for like a preschool or elementary school classroom. Obviously, you could make it if you're a teenager or young adult like I am. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY Halloween room decor video. Today's post notification shout out goes to this person. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on my post notifications and comment hashtag notification